rid of my water cup here for now. Put some of that in. Pop the dust in, make kind of a thick paint. And in that, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna brush like all the same direction. I could, so this is like a coppery kind of color. You want to make sure you get all those sides. Anything you're gonna see there. So it's easier to paint it here and then pop it on. Okay, and then I'll just use a tiny bit of buttercream. In a couple places. Okay, and then wherever I touch it, I'll just go back over it, but it's still easier to do it that way. Okay, so other one in the front. All right, so I've got some silver sheen now. So I can go ahead and get some of these gears going with the airbrush. And maybe some little ones here. And then I have a gold sheen too that I'll do. One more of these and then we'll put these on. Actually, I might let them just dry for a second or two and do some gold. Let me do a couple of latches maybe in silver. Just in case, I don't have to use all this, but sure is fun to have it all. So I need to clean that out. And then that's my bronze, got my gold. And probably use a new paper towel. I was gonna do these. It just broke, but that's okay. Alrighty, let me get my silver ones on. Clean up that buttercream in a little bit. And that's not going to fit in there, so... Okay, and then we'll put some of this chain on. Gonna have to go back over that unless I put these in the perfect spots. Let's see, I need some gold up there. All right, we are going to do the tractor tread or whatever it is. I'm not quite sure what this vehicle is. So that must mean it's perfect. All right, so I want to keep the chocolate fondant a little bit on the thicker side so it'll stand up. And I will just go ahead and cut ruler width both sides like that. Remove the ruler and cut both ends so I have straight ends there. Okay, and then I want to just make the tread. So I'm going to use a skewer and I'm just going to lightly press in all the way down. I'm not even, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, so they might not be totally perfect. It's up to you. You can, make them every one. You can measure it out if you'd like. I say depends how much they're paying for it. And then water. We'll put some water in something. And this is part that I airbrush, so just be careful that you're putting the water where you need it to be. Okay. So I'll pick it up and I'll start here, and I want like half of it on the cake and half of it sticking out. Alright, let me turn it so you can see it. So I'm just kind of lifting it up a bit until it wants to start to dry a tiny bit. I'm gonna cut down here, tuck that under, and I'll just kind of keep coming back and lifting that up a bit.